Hi, my name's Chris Bland. Accompanying me is Igor Potrisov, one of our senior technical consultants. This is a really quick demo about something we get asked a lot: multiple mailboxes and Jira Service Management. Many of you probably know Jira Service Management can only have one email box per desk, natively speaking. So how do we deal with this scenario? I'm going to give you a quick demo of what it can look like. So we're going to have multiple email boxes for one Jira Service Management desk. There'll be a bit of forwarding and configuration, which we've already done. And the outcome will be that each email box will end up with its own queue in the desk. Now, this can change based on business requirements, but for example, it's ideal maybe if you have individual teams with each team dealing with its own mailbox. Using this setup, each team will see its own queue, so it can see exactly what it's doing. We're going to have two mailboxes to prove the point. One of them will be Office 365, and one of them will be Gmail. These will be the boxes that your eventual customers can email into. We're going to show sending an email into each of those and how they then end up in the relevant queue. So each queue is basically aligned to one of these email boxes. A nice thing here is that your original sender, i.e. your customer who emailed one of the boxes, their email will go in properly into the reporter field. So if your team wants to respond directly back to them, even though they come through multiple mailboxes into the desk, that's not a problem and it works fine. Okay, Igor, I'm going to hand over to you just to give us a quick demo.
Thank you, Chris. So I'm going to share my screen and show you how Service Desk was configured. This is a really straightforward example where we have three queues. You can see on the left-hand side all open tickets, Team A and Team B queues. All open tickets contains all open issues for both teams A and B together. And then we have two separate queues focused on these specific teams only. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to send few test emails and show how it's appear on queue. You can see that there's one email for Team A. There is an issue with XXX for Team A. I can put some extra details on email. I can attach files, screenshot, and extra information. So let's send this one. And then we have email to Team B mailbox. I have another question about why for Team B. I can put extra information and send this email as well. Now, if I go back to Service Desk, just in the 30 seconds or less, you will see that these issues will appear on all open tickets queue and on relevant teams queue. So you can see the first one, issues XXX for Team A appear. We can take, and then the second one as well. So let's take a look at one of them. So all the description comes into description field. So your email body become description. If you have any attachments, it will be attached to your Jira issue. You can see that the reporter was pulled up correctly, so it's automatically recognized my account and assigned it with me. So now, if I go back to all open tickets, there is the same request question about why for Team B, which contains all the relevant information, assignee, and so on. And if we go to Team A queue, we will see just one request, issues XXX. And if we go to Team B queue, we will see just the question about why for Team B. You may have multiple teams associated. Also, you may have more advanced configuration. You may have multiple mailboxes linked to the same team, or you may have more straightforward when you have one mailbox per one queue per one team.
So in short, we've got two mailboxes, two teams, and we're pulling the emails from one mailbox into one team's queue and the other one to the other team's queue. You can also get an overall view of all emails, all requests, all the current statuses, SLAs and the like, plus any other advanced attribution you want. And you can do all the standard Jira reporting over the top. And needless to say, clearly you can have a portal there as well at the same time. Okay, I don't think we need to add anything more. If you've got any questions, please get in touch, and we hope you found that useful. Thanks very much.
Thank you.